Hello guys, this is related with auto login. Auto login, basically there is a two way. One is on console and one is one server to another server. So here first we present both both these both will present, but first we'll present auto login. So auto login basically requires when you are logging on console. Sometimes it's very urgent and you don't want waste the time on password. Actually password in organization, this is sometimes 8 character 14 character combination of special character, and behavior of keyboard is different. Sometimes it's accessing from USB center somewhere Europe, somewhere from India. Then keyboard, what's keyboard is chosen, so you have no idea, and it's behave very differently and you are not able to log in on a server. Sometimes it's very urgent. So to resolve this issue, this auto login is in picture. However, this is bit different from uh, other in Linux. So whenever you need, you have to configure one user as a auto login, and for this user you have not to supply the password. So whenever you will reboot the system on console, this will connect as a auto login, but as a password is not defined, so no one can log in from this user directly or somewhere in putty or somewhere from others. So this is also benefit. And one more item in this auto login, you have to give sudo access. So whenever this auto login appear on your console, then just sudo su hyphen and you can log in as root. You can take approval from management as well. You need this user, but password not defined. And the TTY 0 to 9 are there, so here we configure this on TTY 1. So you can see on my system, this is for this is one of the Linux system, and this is on etc system D system directory. So what terminal you want to specify, you need to give the terminal, actually terminal name. You need to create the directory on this. So for this, here we need this on TTY, so we'll create this directory here. Then cd this directory. This is the complete path in etc system D system getty TTY1. So mostly console is connected always on TTY1. So I will create one user here in this server. User add temporary. Temporary is a user, but you can choose any name as per your requirement, as per your organization requirement. So now user added, but I am not supplying any password directly. If you will see pwd, so in this directly nothing is there. You can see zero file, but we'll create vi auto login.conf, and in this just will paste, or you can type this code as a create as a service. So here you can give like this and you can see. Let me explain this one by one. This is service, and after this execution start, but this is short term, is equal to null. Null means whatever you have given the username, this will take here. After this execution start, slash sven slash a getty hyphen hyphen auto login temporary username hyphen no clear percentage, this is the capital I dollar term. So now I am saving this. So this is done from my dash. One more time, let me cat this file. You can see this and pwd where should be, and to show this I will take console and will reboot from here. Console means, so server F, you can see this, and we are here on server F. So you can see clearly here, this broad active web console server login temporary automatic login. So this is important. So this is example for automatic login, and you have take snap or whatever, so you can repeat this number of times you can create. If you want to create another user, then you have to remove this file autologin.com somewhere copy in slash tmp. After this you have to change the username. So here rather than temporary you can choose any name, then again save it, then second user will be create. You have to provide this in vsudo, then you take and this as a sudo access. So if you want, then let me show you sudo access. So this is logged in, and then sudo already I have given this sudo access for this, and vsudo. Okay, just I was checking is copied or not, then directly need to copy vsudo and just go in root. So where is the root? You can just this type temporary, there is no line omitted, and after this is this one. So this is about this. Just save this file and go to in console and log in this sudo su hyphen and password, but password you have not given, so you have to give this no password in this directory in vsudo. You have to temporary, the syntax will be no password colon this all, that is the only one, and all is equal to all. save, then again. So you can see directly login server app. So this is completely about the this exercise auto login, and our videos are related with educational purpose. However, you can use in organization, there is no issue, but this is I'm providing this for educational, technical education, for educational purpose, for your enhancement. And sometimes these exercises are not in market, nowhere in the books. So that is experience, and providing all these items by experience. Thank you all. We'll see you in the next video as soon as.